Welcome back to Delicious Cravings, your go-to channel for mouth-watering recipes and culinary adventures. If you want to learn how to make oatmeal chocolate chip cookies, tara, simulan na natin. As you can see in this video, mix flour, baking soda, and salt in a bowl. And in another bowl, cream butter and sugar until smooth. Nilabas ko pala sa ref yung butter at least 30 minutes para lumambot na siya. Then we can add 1 whole egg. Let's mix them well. And then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla syrup. Sa point na to, let's put dry ingredients na ginawa natin kanina. And then we can add 1 cup of oatmeal. Then add 1 cup of chocolate chips. Mix them all together until maging ganito na yung itsura niya, kagaya no nasa video. Nailagay na natin ang wax paper or parchment paper sa baking pan. Let's scoop the dough onto a baking sheet. This will make 24 cookies. Alam nyo, itong cookies na to, kahit kung saan siya dalhin, hindi ako mapapahiya dahil lagi nila sinasabi na sakto yung tamis. Siguro dahil sa oatmeal na nilagay ko. Kaya okay na okay to pang-gift. Top it with extra chocolate bits for added appeal. Preheat your oven for 350 Fahrenheit or 175 Celsius and bake this for 10 to 12 minutes until golden. And there you have it. If you're a fan of cookies like I am, you're in for a real treat. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our delicious creations. Remember, in this kitchen, it's all about spreading love and happiness through food. This is Delicious Cravings again, saying no hate, just love. Thanks for watching.